Looking for a fun and easy-to-use drone for kids and beginners? Meet the Mini RC drone, a compact yet powerful quadcopter packed with exciting features. Designed with durable, drop-resistant materials, the Mini RC drone is built to handle every adventure. Its 8 cm ultra-compact size makes it easy to carry, while the lightweight frame ensures smooth and stable flights. With 4-channel control and a 6-axis gyroscope, this drone provides precise movement in all directions: forward, backward, left, right, and even side flying. Plus, the 360-degree flip function lets you perform stunning aerial tricks with a single button press. Struggling with drone orientation? No worries. The Headless Mode allows the drone to move in your desired direction, no matter how it's positioned. And with one key return, it safely returns to you with just one press. Featuring 4-way obstacle avoidance, the Mini RC drone detects obstacles and adjusts its flight path automatically, making it safer and easier to fly, perfect for beginners. Powered by a 3.7V 220 mAh lithium battery, the drone gives you up to 7 minutes of flight time on a single charge. The 2.4 GHz remote control offers a 50-meter range, giving you complete control over your flying experience. In the box, you get everything you need to start flying right away, including a USB charging cable, extra propellers, and a detailed user manual for easy setup. Whether you're a beginner, a drone enthusiast, or looking for the perfect gift for kids, the Mini RC drone is a fantastic choice. Get yours today and experience endless flying fun. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more cool drone reviews and unboxings. See you in the next video.